Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. Hope everyone's doing good out there. There was a few things I forgot to mention in my last video, which I will link up there and at the end of the video. Born Pretty sent me the set that was in that video. I'll put a picture of what it looks like on Amazon. It looks a little different than what it looks like here. It's You Are Sugar, sold by Born Pretty. What I forgot to mention was the base coat, top coat, and matte top coat come in a set, and with that you get a free gift of a regular nail polish top coat, and it comes with a bunch of colors, and they just sent me 4 of their most popular colors, and I'll put pictures up of the 2 reds that are in the last video. This one is number 51, this gorgeous like purpley color with hollows in it. Ooh. But today I just felt like doing something with number 40, this gorgeous glittery pink. This is 2 coats on. I accidentally wiped off the tacky layer, and this is only 1 coat. So on this hand I went ahead and put 1 coat and cured of glue gel, 1 coat on these 2 fingers of grip gel, and I want to do some foils on these and some glitters on these, and I'm not sure what all I'm gonna do. I've got just quite a few little doodads out here. If you don't know, the other gels I'm talking about are from SheModern.com. I'll put that link's always down below in the description as well. And I'm just going to play around with some foils. I know I want to put foils on, and the way that I'm trying to remember, because I cut this in half and you can't really tell which side is the correct side to use. If you look at it in the light, the white on this one won't shine as much as the white on this side would shine. And also, since it was folded, since I left a little bit of the cut, the inside is always the side to put on your nail. So that's just a little thing I was just trying to figure out which side I'm supposed to use. So since I have glue gel on, you can transfer foils with that. So I'm just going to put some foils on these 2 nails. Just press it on there. I love these clear foils because you can see what you're doing a little bit better. Love the clear back foils. I'm just hooked on them lately. And voila, almost a perfect transfer. I took a picture of this hand before I wiped off the tacky layer, just without top coat, just so you can see what it looks like without me messing with it. And also from SheModern, I have their the mixed opal hollow decorative glitters. It's this pretty glitter. I'm just gonna try not to make a huge mess. I'm thinking like doing something like kind of bridesmaidy kind of thing. That's what this just came into my head when I was picking out the colors to wear. Just a light little look. So I think I'm gonna go a little bit more. Oh, this glitter is so pretty. Even on the metallic, you can really see. I think I'm going all the way with this. It's a good thing I took that before picture, because if I do my right hand to match, you won't be able to see the polishes. I always put pictures at the end of the video as well. So I just put a light layer of grip gel on, give it a cure in the lamp. For me, it's 30 seconds, but lamps vary. The little mini ones are like 45 seconds. Cured. If I plan a manicure out, it never goes exactly as I plan. I've got a couple little decorations next to me. I'm not sure which ones I want to put on. I've got some little doodads picked out, and I've got caviar bead pen. I really don't like the pins. I like to put it in with gel polish, or you can do regular top coat. Then a very thin layer of base coat. I'm gonna give it a cure. Then I'll play with the doodads with my top coat, and I think I'm gonna use some caviar beads. I have to get them out of this pen. I can't use them in the pen, but I like storing them in the pen. I really need a little bit. gonna put in the bottom of this one, just because they shoot out. Good idea, but it just doesn't. You kind of have to shake it to keep it coming out. Put a little top coat down here. And this can be like my encapsulated mixture, my beads into. Little micro beads, caviar beads. I call them caviar beads. Not many beads came out of that pen. But I like that you can put your beads back in to store them.
2 hours later.
I got a few out. Let's hope that I got enough out. Do one nail at a time with the top coat, and I'll give it a flash cure. And I found out you don't really have to worry about with clear gels. When you cure them in the lamp, if it touches any surface of the gel, it will really cure the gel underneath your doodads and whatnot. When you get larger pieces, big charms or whatever, it'll still cure it underneath. You don't have to worry about tilting it on the side or whatever. But mine still does have a reflective bottom in it. So it still has it coming from the sides. If you do it with this method with the caviar beads, don't put too many beads in, because once you put them in the gel, you really can't reuse them. And someone asked me a few different ways to use caviar beads. Just use them as random decoration of your nail. You can use them like I'm here, kind of as extra decoration, and also it secures in the bigger gems and doodads. You can encapsulate them into something. I just love caviar beads so much. It can be a pain in the tuchus, but they are so pretty. Probably all I'm going to do in this little tiny nail. I'm just going to really just flash cure it, and that just sets it so that I can go ahead and play with some more nails. I've got silver going on and I've got gold going on. I don't know. I might use this. I'm gonna do something else to these two nails, but I want to do something special to this nail before I finish up with the video. I'm putting some top coat on. Just thought I'd give this a try. I was gonna do this something like this at Easter with a cross, but I figure I'll try with a heart. So top coat, a little charm. And I put it on there a little sideways. Just kind of letting some of the top coated caviar beads fall in there, hoping there's room. Take a couple in there. I needed to have used a smaller pearls. And here's another way to use them. Just splatter them on your nail. Some cool little effect. They're coated in top coat. Usually they stay on pretty well. Unless you get them stuck, you could always top coat over them again. I usually would top coat around all this again, except for the top of the pearls. Let me give this a cure. Try and chase the pearl with the brush. Most everything else, other than the gel polish, you could find on AliExpress or SheModern.com. The glue and grip gel and the glitter SheModern.com. Don't forget, I have a lot of discount codes listed in my description of my videos. Feel free to share them around with others. Some I found from other people as well. I've got listed in my link down below. I should have did one nail at a time. I'm gonna give these a cure, readjust everything, give them a cure, and check if I need any more top coat adjustments made to secure everything. I've got them slipping and sliding. I should have flash cured one at a time. Got too much top coat on this hand. Gotta get it off of my skin. Thank you for watching, everyone. I'll have pictures at the end of the video. Thank you for being here. Thank you for every minute that you watch. Till next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye.